Hello, my name is Kevin Bousquet, and I'm a licensed private investigator with the Corpa Group, Inc. My guest is Paul Langhorne, who is a surveillance specialist with KeyFacts Canada. Paul is going to be discussing with us tracking devices. Paul, what are tracking devices and how are they used?
Kevin, a tracking device is essentially a two-component system. A transmitter, which transmits an audible tone from the vehicle that is being tracked, and a receiver, which picks up that audible tone. Essentially, what has to occur is the transmitting unit has to be mounted or installed on the vehicle, usually underneath the body of the vehicle, in the center with the antenna pointing down so that you get a proper signal from a distance.
And what is the distance of something like this, Paul?
Depending on the system that is used, several different types of systems that are available and that operate. A GPS system, for instance, will operate globally, whereas the most common system, such as this, would be a tone signal, and it would have a range of approximately 2 to 3 miles line of sight. In the city where you have buildings, electrical interference, it would be greatly reduced.
Now, what are the situations where we can use a tracking device on a vehicle that we're following, Paul?
There are very limited situations where you could legally use a tracking device. A corporate situation where the company that you're hired by has a proprietary ownership of the vehicle. Traditionally, they're trucks. If you'll remember a case we did a number of years ago, we used a tracking device in a piece of product that was being stolen from our client's property. We mounted the transmitter inside the product, and then when that product was taken from the warehouse, we were able to track it to where it was being marketed or resold. Another situation might be a domestic situation where you're working for one spouse and they have a proprietary ownership of the vehicle. So they are giving you permission to put the transmitter on the vehicle.
Paul, thank you very much for being with us, and thank you for watching the Private Eye Center.